What's the meaning of body odor? Body odor. Body odor.
Body odor. Body odor. Body odor refers to the unpleasant smell that emanates from a person's body due to the bacterial breakdown of sweat. This odor is typically stronger in areas where sweat glands are more concentrated, such as the underarms and groin. It can be caused by various factors such as poor hygiene, diet, medical conditions, or certain medications. Apart from causing social discomfort, body odor can also affect an individual's self-confidence and may lead to psychological distress. Regular bathing, wearing clean clothes and using deodorants or antiperspirants are effective ways to combat body odor.